Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to sign into Microsoft account in Minecraft. Let's get started. From the Minecraft home menus, select sign in with a Microsoft account. After clicking it, Minecraft will generate a QR code and login code on your screen. You have two options to sign in. You can either scan the QR code using your phone or go to website shown on the screen and enter the code manually. To scan the QR code, simply open the camera app on your phone and point it at the code. Then tap the link that appears. On your phone, make sure the code displayed matches the code shown in the game. Next, sign in using the Microsoft email address connected to your Minecraft account. Then after signing in, tap Let's Go. Once the process is complete, you'll see a message saying you're signed into Minecraft. Now you can return to the game and start playing online. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.